In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email template in Canva with Brevo. The goal is simple. You will design an email template in Canva, export it as an image, and then upload it into Brevo so you can use it for your campaign. First, go to Canva. Open your Canva account or sign in if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the Canva homepage, take a moment to locate the right design area. Having your workspace ready at the start makes everything feel faster and more organized as you build your email. Next, create your email design. In Canva, choose an email-friendly layout and build the design using the elements you want to include. This could include a header, body text, buttons, images, and spacing that looks clean on a screen. As you design, keep in mind that email viewers are different sizes. So try to keep alignment neat and avoid tiny text that could be hard to read. When your design looks how you want, you are ready for the export step. Now click Share, then Download. Canva uses this path when you want to export your work. In the download options, you will choose a file type that Brevo can accept for the template you are creating. This is an important moment because the format controls what Brevo can display. Next, select PNG, then Download. After you choose PNG, confirm the download and wait for Canva to finish creating the file. PNG is a common choice for preserving clarity in images, and it makes your email template easy to upload and view accurately. With your Canva image ready, go to Brevo. Open a new tab and navigate to Brevo, then find the area for campaigns. You are moving from design to setup, so the interface may look different, but the process is still straightforward. In Brevo, click Campaigns. This is where your marketing email projects live. From there, you will create a new email campaign and attach your Canva design as the visual content. Next, click Create Campaign, then Email. When the campaign creation screen opens, Brevo will guide you through the steps. Choose email so the editor and options match what you need for an email template. After that, enter your campaign name, then click Create Campaign. Use a name that helps you identify what the email is for, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Once you confirm, Brevo will create the campaign workspace for you. Now, you will move into the design setup by clicking Design, then Create from scratch. This step matters because it ensures you start with a blank design space that you control, rather than a pre-built theme that may not match your Canva layout. Once you have a fresh design space, upload your Canva design. Look for the upload area in the Brevo editor and add the PNG file you downloaded from Canva. Give Brevo a moment to process the upload. After it appears in the design view, check that the image placement looks right and that the key content is visible. Finally, click Save and Quit. This step ensures your work is stored and your campaign is ready to continue later. Saving is important so you do not lose changes if you navigate away or close the editor. And that covers everything you need to know. You designed your email in Canva, exported it as a PNG, and then uploaded into Brevo to set up your campaign. And that is all there is to it.